Here's the benchmark, Heaven benchmark, Unigine Heaven benchmark 4.0 basic edition. Okay, here on the right side we have the language preset. I use custom preset because I want to use it in full screen and in my 5:4 aspect ratio. Okay, only these 3D things and multi-monitor thing is disabled and everything else is on the maximum setting. Okay, and let's click run. Here we have a few keys. We can play around or we can run the program in benchmarking mode. We can toggle the wireframe. As you can see here, it's made out of wires, lines, tessellation, and so on. So this one, now it's running around here. Up here we have some controls. Let's go to camera and pick free. Okay, free, that stops the view from going ahead, and instead you can use the mouse, the cursor, and hold down the left click, and then you can move around. If you don't hold down the left click, then only the cursor is moving. Okay, and here on cinematic it's moving by itself. Free, that's free movement using the mouse plus the WASD keys, as in shooter games. You can move around. Okay, and walk, the third option. With that one it falls down to the ground, because the middle one, free, if I select that one, then I can go up and it stays there. So I'm up in the air. I can go up on the roof if I want. Okay, so now we are on free. The other options here, focus, aperture. This is like on DSLR cameras. Now this one is blurred. If I pull it to the left, now the background of faraway objects are blurred. And aperture, to see closer, to see further. Okay, DSLR like controls. Let's go to the third one, environment. Here you can move around and look for the sun. Basically you will be controlling the position of the sun on the sky. Just slide this one to the left or to the right, and now it's night, now it's day. We are controlling the position of the sun on the sky. Let's take a look here, and now move it around. You can turn on the lights manually if you want. Night, day, night, day. That's very nice. Okay, we can go in a different place if we want. That takes quite a bit of time. Okay, let's go to another location. Up here onto this balloon. Hold down the shift key and it will go a little bit faster. Now you can see the floating islands here. Floating cities, they are moving. They're very nice. Now let's control the sun. Oops, dark and day. Very nice. Okay, tessellation, the fourth one. These basically are controlling the stones. That's stones and rooftops and things like that. Wow, look at the heat coming off from here. Let's go to a different place so you can see the stones. Let's see these stones by controlling scale, factor and distance. Here at tessellation you can see that these stones are flatter or more 3D. That's the scale, factor and distance. Okay, let's move it. Okay, now let's go to settings. Here we have the resolution of the screen, 1280 by 1024. That's a 5:4 resolution. Anti-aliasing, it's on the maximum setting. If I want to turn it off, it will not work. Gamma, that's, if I click OK, now notice that everything is darker. I set it to maximum value and click OK, and everything is much brighter. So let's set it back to 1.0. Meanwhile, you can hear the power source unit. So it's not the video card that's noisy in my system, but the power source unit. This card, this Radeon R9 200 series, it's consuming quite some power, 250 watts I think. Okay, I won't play with this because it will need some loading time, so let's just close it. Quality, high, ultra, medium and low. Oh, I think this will also restart it. Now I lowered the quality. Okay, let's get back to ultra. Okay, and sound. Is there some sound? Let's see. There is, but I have to put the headphones on. Okay, let's go back to the benchmark mode and see what's going on here. So now it's benchmarking the entire, it's running the entire benchmark. There are 26 scenes, it's visible here in the corner, and now it's on the 6th scene out of 26. Okay, and here's the result. Unigine Heaven benchmark 4.0, frames per second 47, score 1184, minimum frames per second 18, maximum frames per second 109, and this is Windows 8.1 64-bit, and I'm running an AMD Phenom 6-core CPU. It's unlocked. It's basically a 4-core quad-core CPU which is unlocked, and that's why it says model unknown, and it's running at 3 GHz. The video card is a Radeon R9 280 with 3 GB of memory and 384 bits bus width. The settings were set to DirectX 11, 5:4 aspect ratio, 8x anti-aliasing in full screen mode, Tessellation extreme, quality ultra, and that's it. We can further play around with this one. Let's click on free. Don't fall down. Oh no, it's the island which is moving. Okay, so let's go back there. I'm standing still and the island is moving. Ooh, let's go. Let's put it into walk mode. So in this mode I can fall down. Yeah, I'm going from one island to another. Hi island, hi mail, hi house. Okay, let's go further. Hi sunshine. Look, a small little house. A balloon. Let's climb up 3. Okay, and oops, we just went to the roof. Let's see what's in the chimney. Santa Claus. Nothing. Okay, let's visit some other things. We're onto that ship. Boo. We are on the ship. What are these? Oh, kidding. I can go there. Now it won't let me. Okay, so that's Unigine Heaven. nice little benchmarking software, and I'm in the air somewhere near the balloon. Where's that heat? That was nice. I think here. Yeah, here's the heat. What is this thing? Okay, that's it for this benchmark application. The temperature is at 65 degrees Celsius, if you can see that. And my power supply is... Whoops, that's just a piece of paper. So my power supply is making the noise. It's not a video card that's noisy. So I have to modify the power source a little bit. Take down the outer case so it will cool down better. Passive heating. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this cute little benchmark. And